Hey guys, this is Coach Batista, and this is a play on the Read and React that is for us to get the ball to the wing and to set a screen on the corner. So what's happening here is the number 2 and number 3 blue, they are denying, they're not open. So what they're going to do is, instead of cutting to the basket, they're going to set a screen at the bottom for number 4, and number 4 will come up to the wing, receive the ball, and number 2 is going to roll towards the basket. It should look like this. Alright, let's see one more time. And this time focus only on the right side of the screen. The left side of the screen, they're just doing the basic read and react. So the number 1 player, once he passes the ball, he has to cut and circle. So the left side of the screen, the 1, 3, and 5, they're just rotating regularly. And this is important because they're gonna give the more options to the blue team. But let's focus on the number 2 and the number 4 player. The number 2 is denied, so he runs to the corner and sets a screen. Key point here is that the blue 4, he has to wait for the screen. He should not run early. Once the screen is set, the number 4 blue, he will come up and receive this ball, and he's going to be open because the number 2 red is he's going to be delayed on the start. So the 4 blue will have a chance to get this ball. And notice that the number 2 blue rolled and sealed his defender. Notice that the number 2 blue is on the basket side now. And this is the key part, is for this number 2 guy to roll and seal the number 4 red. Now that the number 2 is in a good position, again, he will be able to drive to the basket. So notice again, once the number 4 comes up, the number 2 right there, he is rolling and getting in the right position. Okay, he wants to be on the basket side of that number 4. He wants to put his defender on the outside, and then the number 4 can do a bounce pass inside for the number 2. One more observation, that something that could have happened is right here. If the number 1 blue, if he beats his defender right here, the number 4 player could have just given him a bounce pass in the middle of the lane, and the number 1 player would drive to the hoop. On this example, that didn't happen. The number 1 red played good defense, but that's okay because the number 2 blue rolled and he got open. So this is a great play to execute when the wing players are not open, especially when you first drive the ball down the lane. This is a good idea for the wing man. It could be the number 2 or the number 3 to set a screen at the bottom and then roll towards the basket.